your phone buzzes again. You check the class group chat, and almost immediately you feel a knot in your stomach. Hurtful comments and private photos are being broadcasted to the entire group at once. Each new notification adds to the weight of the attack, with the harm multiplying as more people see it. Looking at the chat, you see two reactions. Some students join in with laughing emojis to stay on the safe side of the group. Others see what is happening but stay silent, hoping they won't be the next target. This silence creates a vacuum. When no one speaks up, the person posting assumes everyone agrees with them, which allows the psychological harm to escalate. Witnessing these attacks creates a specific choice. Stepping up turns a bystander into a protector, moving the situation away from an endless cycle of mockery and toward a resolution. The primary barrier to acting is the fear of social friction. Many students worry that by speaking up, they will be labeled a snitch or seen as a troublemaker. While that social anxiety feels real, the student being targeted is experiencing isolation and embarrassment that lasts long after the phone is put away. An active bystander shifts to an accountable community member, creating a buffer for the targeted person. This disrupts the harassment's momentum, signaling the behavior is no longer accepted. This change starts with moving from private concern to actionable hope. You are no longer just watching, you are preparing to help. School leadership is often quiet. It looks like a responsible commitment to the safety of others, handled without unnecessary drama or public confrontation. Intervention requires specific steps. First, halt. Reacting or forwarding only fuels the fire and increases visibility. Next, document. Isolate specific evidence, including usernames, dates, and times. Take screenshots quietly. This ensures you have a record of what happened without alerting the instigators or escalating the conflict in the moment. This evidence must be contained. Never post these screenshots publicly or share them with other classmates, as this only spreads the original harm further. Step 3 is to report. Take the evidence directly to a trusted adult, such as a teacher, a guidance counselor, or a school safety officer. Be clear about the context. Explain what you saw and who was involved so the adult understands the incident's scope and can take necessary steps to help. If you believe your classmate is in any immediate physical danger, you must flag that urgency to the adult right away. These tactical steps replace social media drama with a controlled intervention. This process prioritizes the victim's safety and ensures the situation is handled by those trained to resolve it. Once a report is filed, the school can intervene privately. This takes the pressure off the students and allows the threat to be neutralized through proper school policy. After reporting, there is one more essential action. Send a private message to the person who was bullied. A simple note can be enough to show them they have support. This gesture lets them know they aren't alone. It rebuilds their security, allowing them to focus on learning instead of looking over their shoulder. A school's culture is defined by these small, repeated choices. When students prioritize empathy, the entire environment becomes safer for everyone. A thriving digital school depends on a collective agreement to reject retaliation and normalize safe, responsible reporting. A safe digital school is built one caring action at a time. When we choose respect over ridicule and courage over silence, we help create a community where everyone can belong. Together, we can build a safer digital future.